Confined to the walls of an office, chances are you'll want to spend more time outdoors. Relaxing in nature provides a wide range of mental and physical health benefits, including reduced stress, depression, and anxiety levels, and lower risk for diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Our landscape consultant has left no stone unturned to make you imbibe all the benefits derived from the luxurious green landscape at Royal Green. Whether you are walking in and around our putting green or just relaxing in our sanctuary of peace, our Zen garden.